Today on Engineering Newswire, we're launching rockets to new heights, incinerating a turkey with a flamethrowing drone, and beginning construction on a Hyperloop test track. Hyperloop Technologies made news this week with an announcement that company CEO Rob Lloyd called one of the many steps that moves Hyperloop closer to achieving its Kitty Hawk moment of 2016. The company announced a 50-acre land deal for a site in Mountain View Industrial Park in North Las Vegas where it will begin construction on its propulsion open-air test. Hardware will arrive as soon as this month, and testing is expected to begin in early 2016. If you recall, Hyperloop is the tube technology prototype in which a full-length tube is built between destinations that allows people and cargo to travel at extremely fast speeds. The open-air test will happen on a 1-kilometer track where the custom-designed linear electric motor will be tested at speeds reaching more than 335 miles per hour in 2 seconds. This milestone is a critical first step towards a full Hyperloop system test. Hyperloop is also in the final stages of site selection for its safety development and test site, where Hyperloop will construct a 3-kilometer, full-scale, full-speed prototype. The company wants to have the site fully operational in late 2016, early 2017, and as part of its goal to deliver a commercially viable, fully operational Hyperloop system by 2020.
Remember that Connecticut teen who outfitted a drone with a gun, filmed it, and then uploaded it to YouTube? Well, he's back, and this time it's with a flamethrower. Austin Howitt released a new video on Monday entitled "Roasting the Holiday Turkey." Over the course of the 4-minute video, a drone with a homemade flamethrower strapped to it hovers in place while incinerating a turkey by remote control. The video even seems to have a sponsor this time, the radio control online retailer Hobby King, where many of the drone's parts were obtained. The retailer's logo appears at the beginning of the video and in the bottom right corner of the video frame. The teen reported using 8 motors, 8 propellers, 8 electronic speed controls, an on-off switch for the pump, a 5-volt battery eliminator circuit, 16 frame bars, and a relay to build this drone. And according to the video description, there was also a significant number of 3D printed parts, wiring, soldering, and miscellaneous parts included. Although the FAA investigated the gun-shooting drone this past summer, it's unclear if the agency or law enforcement will open an investigation into the new flamethrowing drone. Although, somebody should tell this guy not to shoot flames in the middle of the woods. We should have like a Smokey the Bear, like
only you
can prevent forest fires type thing.
Yep, done.
Virgin Galactic, the spaceflight company headed by 65-year-old British billionaire playboy Richard Branson, recently unveiled Cosmic Girl, a modified Boeing 747 jumbo jet that the company hopes will be a launch platform for its Launcher One small satellite launch service. Side note, I looked it up, Cosmic Girl, and found that it's also the name of a British dance club song from the 90s.
She's just a cosmic girl.
So that's a thing. Anyway, Virgin Galactic said its Launcher One rockets would be attached to the modified plane's left wing, which is near where the aircraft typically carries a 5th engine. Once the rocket reaches an elevation of 35,000 feet, it would separate from the Cosmic Girl, the plane, not the song, fire up its engine and continue its task of delivering a satellite payload to the orbit. The 747 has been a part of some noteworthy programs, such as the Space Shuttle Enterprise test flight program and NASA's Shuttle Carrier Aircraft program. According to Virgin Galactic, the aircraft is ideal because of its operational flexibility, long range, and ability to operate in many kinds of weather. They also like its large and robust rocket carrying capacity. Initial inspections and other examinations have already been conducted on Cosmic Girl. VT San Antonio Airspace will conduct a routine maintenance check on the jumbo jet.
Do you have story ideas? Comment below and we'll cover them in the next episode. For the PD&D channel, I'm David Manti, and this has been your Engineering Newswire.
But I have a lighter here, I think.
Ash, look at all my low-hanging branches and dry leaves. I'll simply burn to a crisp.
You're right.